Okay, so in the previous step, you opened Capcut for the first time and imported your raw footage into it. And now I'm going to show you how to edit that footage. Okay, so on the main timeline, you can see our footage right here. The raw footage that we imported in the previous episode. And to begin editing, you go to the bottom left option that says edit, the option with the little scissors icon. And it shows you options related to editing the footage. So our first goal is to trim the fat, so to speak. Get rid of gaps, dead space, that kind of thing. So in general, we're just going to tighten the whole thing up so it's more punchy during playback, which is important when it comes to things like video retention, which is something you need to keep in mind when making video content because it measures how long viewers stay engaged in your content and can help increase overall viewership. Okay, so in this case, before I actually get the line correct, I say it wrong once, and also there's a lot of dead space, and we want to get rid of that so we can get right to the action. Okay, so to start the editing process, we select the main footage on our timeline. Then what we want to do is go to the start of the part of the footage that we want taken out. Then press the split tool down here, then scroll to the end of the part we want taken out, and then press the split button again. Then we select the part we extracted, and select delete. And now when you play it back, it gets straight to the action and there's no dead air or fluff. Now you know what I'm going to say next, don't you? Yes, you need to go through the whole of the footage, choosing the best parts and extracting any parts that we don't want in there, using this same split, cut, delete process that we just went over. This is the same method that I use on every single piece of video content that I produce. Dead air is an opportunity for somebody to stop watching your video. Don't give them that option. So now take your time, go through your project and do the same for your footage, cutting out any dead air, gaps and parts that you don't need. Okay, so that was the editing of your main footage. And now in the next step, we're gonna add B-roll and overlays to our project.